This is a river in our village. You must have come here many times. How do you feel here?
It is very nice here. We feel cool in the shade of trees here. Actually, we also enjoy swimming in the river, but the plastic bags in the river water create a dirty feeling.
That is true. In my childhood, when we used to come to the river bank, water in the river was very clean and clear. How dirty the water is now. We cannot tolerate the dirty scenario here. At least we can see these plastic bags with naked eye. But there are some substances in the water which are unable to see, but which are more harmful to us. Chemicals from the factories are added into the river water. Insecticides used for the crops also get dissolved in the river water. Chemicals from the factories are added into the river water. Insecticides used for the crops also get dissolved in the river water. If wastewater from buildings and sewage water is mixed into the river water, then many harmful microorganisms spread in the water. To some extent, we ourselves are responsible for making the river dirty. Don't we throw used plastic bottles, plastic bags into the river water? We means we people. We, the people, are responsible for making this river dirty, for polluting the water. Though all of us don't do so, some people in our surroundings do throw garbage into the river water. If our friends, relatives, persons close to us are doing such things, we can stop them from doing so by explaining to them politely. We can definitely try this. We will visit the waterworks nearby. I will get permission from the officials. Till then, we will note down what we want to observe there, the questions we want to ask.
Hello students. Haha. This is the place where water is purified. It is called the water works. Let's observe now how water is purified here. The water which is brought here from the river is not clean. Sometimes in the rainy season, even tap water is muddy. Do you know what mother does in such situations?
Yes, I know. She keeps the water as it is for a while. After some time, the mud gets settled down at the bottom. Then, mother filters the water into another vessel and boils the filtrate.
Correct. Same process is followed here. Water is kept undisturbed for some time so that the impurities in it settle down. Then the water is filtered using a filter. Then air is mixed throughout. Then air is mixed throughout the water with the help of a pump. This is called as oxidation of water. Hence, oxygen in the air gets mixed with the water. Now, it is possible to boil this water due to its large quantity. Now, it is impossible to boil this water due to its large quantity, isn't it? So, chlorine is added to this water in an appropriate proportion to make it germ-free. All these processes are carried out with the help of machines. See how many steps are taken in the process to purify water. Hence, we must not waste water. Use water accordingly to your need only. Attempts are being made to recycle water. Water used for certain purposes is processed, purified and reused for some other work. It is mandatory for industries to process the wastewater to remove harmful chemicals from it before adding it to the water reservoirs. The most important thing is to prevent water from getting impure. But nowadays, due to many reasons, water becomes impure. Hence, purified water must be used properly and sparingly as per our requirement only. Now you have understood everything, right?
Yes.
Great.
What did we learn? Rainwater is pure water, but it becomes impure or polluted due to many reasons. Wastewater from our homes, chemicals mixed wastewater from industries, insecticides, and many such components are responsible for making water impure. Impure water is purified at the waterworks. For purification, water is allowed to settle first, then it is filtered, oxidized, and lastly chlorinated to make it germ-free. The process of water purification is long and very expensive. Hence, water must be used carefully and sparingly as per our requirement. Exercise. Write 3 causes of water pollution. What care must we take to keep water in the river or any other water reservoir or water source pure?